Hello, this is Jyotish Chandra Rai. I am a student of International Relations, University of Rajshahi, BSS Honours Second Year. Today I will discuss about one of the ongoing crises in world politics, named it is either reasonable nor unreasonable for Bangladesh government not to recognize Rohingya as refugees. Let's get started. About 7.5 lakh Rohingyas crossed the Myanmar border and took refuge in Bangladesh when the Myanmar army started brutal torture in Rakhine province in 2017. Before this, more than about 3 lakhs Rohingyas have taken shelter in Bangladesh at various times. The current population of Rohingyas in the country is about 10 lakhs. The Bangladesh government has always objected to recognize these Rohingyas as refugees, and the government is saying that the Rohingyas are not refugees but they are forcibly displaced citizens of Myanmar. Many refugee experts believe that the Rohingya are eligible to be recognized as refugees under the International Refugee Law, and the United Nations has repeatedly called on Bangladesh to recognize the Rohingya as refugees. Akbar Hussain, the former foreign minister of Bangladesh, thinks that there are some benefits of being recognized as a refugee, because the responsibility of taking care of the refugees until they return to their country is not only on the host country but also on the international community. Therefore, not recognizing the Rohingyas as refugees would be tantamount to giving impunity to the international community. There are different opinions for and against the government's decision not to recognize Rohingyas as refugees in Bangladesh, but many think that the decision not to recognize them is more logical. According to the Bangladesh government, if the Rohingyas are granted refugees status, it will be almost impossible to send them back to their home country. Again, along with the Rohingyas, armed ARSA members have also entered the country, which is a threat to the security of Bangladesh. Due to Myanmar's reluctance, not a single Rohingya registered in the camp since 2005 has been repatriated. Again, after the military coup in Myanmar in 2021, the repatriation of Rohingyas fell into more uncertainty. In addition, due to geopolitical reasons, China and Russia will exercise veto power in raising any resolution in this regard in the UN Security Council, which will complicate the repatriation of Rohingyas from Bangladesh to Myanmar. Considering this aspect, the Bangladesh government is reluctant to recognize the Rohingyas as refugees despite the strong pressure from the international community. Thank you.